My name's Juliet Sela. I'm from K591 PAGCBC Narok, and I am the health worker. And what I can say about GAL is that I'm so grateful that at least finally I can have one informal education, that I really don't have to be worried so much about the exams. I don't have to be worried about maybe attending class and all that. And now what is encouraging so much about GAL is that you're the teacher, you are the coach to yourself. Like everything revolves around me. I have to make sure that I achieve what I want. So like when I'm doing, I'm personally doing on communication skill. I'm taking a course in that with GAL, and what I can say is that I have learned so many things about communication that I had not done before. Like I used to have a fear of speaking in public, like talking to many people, and whatever even what I'm doing right now, I can say it's a step of GAL, because I'm able to express myself and I'm also able to understand others. And therefore, since GAL is not all about exams and class, I think it can benefit so many people who are not able to go to school, who are afraid of maybe a class. They feel like they are too old to go to school. And I'm sure with GAL, it can bring up the best in so many people, just like it has done for us. Because for me, I'm able now to communicate, and like working in compassion, you meet with parents many a times. Even though I'm a nurse by profession, but doing communication, besides improving on my career, I'm able to talk with the kids, I'm able to understand the parents, I'm able to talk even with my colleagues in the office. And therefore, because I know I'm the teacher, I'm the engine to my car, I just have to, like, at the end of the day, I have to ask myself, how did I talk to so and so? What is it I achieved? And through this, I'm able to nurture that, and I'm sure it helps me improve, because communication is like, it's like a key to many things. In everything, communication is very important, and therefore I'm so grateful to GAL, because through GAL I'm able to improve this, and I'm able to even learn more, and through GAL I'm sure even many other people will benefit. And therefore we say thank you very much for, and actually I'm also proud to be a pioneer in Narok. I don't know, I think even in Kenya. And I'm really grateful, because this will help me be a teacher to others. And this will give me a chance to pass on to others what I have learned, and to encourage them and to give them a way forward. Because you know, every time when this is like when a child is growing up, we say they are teething problems. And therefore, since I'm the pioneer, I'll have the skill, because I'll have gone through the problems and I have understood what GAL is all about. And therefore, I'll say I'm able to help the others. And this will be a good thing to see that through you, you've helped many other people. And therefore, all I can say is thank you very much, and God bless you for the good work you're doing.